This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Exodus Injector for Call of Duty Mobile. This tool is designed to modify game files, potentially offering various in-game advantages. Before proceeding, ensure your device meets the necessary system requirements and that you understand the potential risks involved with using third-party software. Always back up important data on your device before attempting any modifications. To begin, you will need to download the Exodus Injector application from a trusted source. Be cautious of unofficial websites, as they may contain malicious software. Once downloaded, locate the installer file, typically an APK for Android devices. Enable installation from unknown sources in your device settings, then proceed to install the application. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully to complete the installation process. After installation, launch the Exodus Injector application. You will likely be presented with a user interface where you can select various options or cheats to inject into Call of Duty Mobile. Carefully review each option and select those you wish to activate. Once your selections are made, initiate the injection process. The injector will then attempt to apply the chosen modifications to the game, which may take a few moments. Using third-party injectors carries significant risks, including potential account bans from Call of Duty Mobile. Game developers actively detect and penalize accounts using unauthorized software. There is also a risk of malware or viruses if the injector is downloaded from an untrustworthy source. Always proceed with extreme caution and understand that using such tools violates the game's terms of service, which could lead to permanent account suspension.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.